Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2014 Lexus GX 460. Stock number is 17M126A. Starting right away up front, you have HID headlights. Those are really bright. They'll keep you nice and safe on those roads at night. Chrome grille definitely adds a sharp look up front. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating. Up top you do have a sunroof. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch as well as a rear backup camera here on the back. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch now. Back seats are folded down currently to show you the additional storage room. You also have a cargo mat back here if you do need to store anything back here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac, so we are right on the corner, right on the price. Taking a look inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are all mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo as well as the display for your rear backup camera. You have dual climate controls here, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Lexus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.